kids, student, welcome in GK class. Today we start our subject GK. Okay, see, this is the book of GK. Explore more. Your book's name Explore More. Okay, this is your GK book. Hope so you all are having this book. Okay beta, now let's start our GK book. Open your GK book and take out page number 5. Rhyming words. This is the book, page number 5, rhyming words. See students, what are the rhyming words? See, words that end in the same sound. Means बेटा वो वर्ड जिनके में के एंड में सेम साउंड होता है, जैसे कि what are rhyming words? Words that end in the same sound, like red, R-E-D, red, B-E-D, bed, B-L-U-E, blue, C-L-U-E, clue, R-U-N, run, F-U-N, fun. Okay, these are the rhyming words. Red, bed, blue, clue, run, fun. So what are rhyming words? Words they have the similar ending sound. जिन वर्ड्स के एंड में सिमिलर एंडिंग साउंड होता है वो होते हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर 5. नाउ टेक आउट स्टूडेंट्स योर बुक चैप्टर 5. यस सी बेटा, WET, wet. What is the rhyming of wet word? NET, net. What is it? NET, net. Now next, hot. Hot rhyming word, pot. POT, pot. Now third, FAT, fat. Fat का rhyming word बेटा rat. RAT, rat. Now next, BIG, big. Big rhyming word, PIG, pig. Next, WEEV. V rhyming word, bee. Next, wall. Wall next rhyming word, ball. BALL, ball. Now COO, cool. Cool rhyming word, pool. Now PINK, pink. Next THINK, thing. Now 9 number STEEL, steel. Steel rhyming word beta wheel. WHEEL, wheel. Now next, bright. BRIGST, bright. Bright का rhyming word light. LIGST, light. Okay students, so these are the rhyming words. In your page number 5, picture also have given. यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर्स भी दी हुई हैं. सो आपको इन पिक्चर को देख के और इनके rhyming words लिखने हैं. Repeat it again. Wet, net. Hot, pot. Fat, rat. Big, pig. bee. Wall, ball. Cool, pool. Pink, think. Steel, wheel. Bright, light. Okay students, now take out your next page. Now student, take out page number 6. Beta, what in this page we have to do? Match the object in the pictures with their rhyming words. Here are some pictures I have given. See, there are some pictures I have given here and either left side here. So we have to match them. See one by one. What is the first picture? Parrot. See, do here. What is the first picture? Parrot. PARROT. What's the rhyming word of parrot? See in this picture, carrot. CARROT, carrot. Now next, what is the picture? Chair. What's the rhyming word of chair beta? Hair. HAIR, hair. Now next, third one, picture of boat. What is the rhyming word of boat? Coat. C-O-A-T, coat. Now next picture, stick. S-T-I-C-K. What's the rhyming word of stick? Brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. Now fifth number, what's the picture? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. What's the rhyming word of duck? Truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. Okay. Now next one. See. Sixth number. What's the picture? Chain. C-H-A-I-N, chain. What's the rhyming word? Train. T-R-A-I-N, train. Train. Now next, 7. What's the picture? Pier. Rhyming word of pier? Beer. Next one, book. What's the rhyming word? Hook. So student, you have to match these pictures to each other. Okay. Write down here. Like first, parrot. So what's the rhyming word of parrot? Carrot. And carrots on the C option. So write here C. Okay. So repeat it again. Parrot, carrot. Chair, hair. Boat, coat. Stick, brick. Duck, truck. Chain, train. Pier, beer. Book, hook. Now student, take out page number 7. Now student, page number 7, word puzzle. See, find the words in the given puzzle with the help of words given below. One has been done for you. Here are some pictures are given, beta, and some words are given. You have to find out these words in this word puzzle. See, first word is bell. First word is bell. See, find out the bell. Where is the bell? See, here. This is bell. B-E-double-L, bell. Now second word is belt. B-E-L-T, belt. Where is the belt? Here. See, B-E-L-T, belt. Now third one is bread. B-I-R-D, bread. Where is the bread? Here. B-I-R-D. Now B-I-R-D, bread. Now next beta, bread. B-R-E-A-D. See, where is the bread? Here. B-R-E-A-D, bread. Now next one, bagel. B-A-G-E-L, bagel. Where is the bagel? Find out here. B-A-G-E-L, bagel. bagel क्या होता है बेटा? ये एक ब्रेड से बनी हुई डिश होती है. See, like this. Round one. This one is bagel. Now next, spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Where is the spoon? Here. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Now this one is your word puzzle. We find out these words in this word puzzle. See, revise it again. B-E-double-L, bell. B, second bell. B-E-L-T, bell. This one is second. Now third, B-I-R-D, bread, B-I-R-D. Now bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, 4. Now bagel, B-A-G-E-L, bagel, this one is 5. And next spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, 6. So students, this is your page number 7. You find out these words in this word puzzle. Now take out page number 8. Now, what is this beta in this page? Word grid. With the help of the given picture, complete the word grid. Here are some pictures are given. See, these are the pictures have given, and here are the word grid. You have to complete these words with the help of these pictures. So let's do one by one. See, first, what is this first? B, G. What coming between B, G? A. B, A, G, bag. Now next, G, U, N. Gun. Now next, what is the picture? Net. N, E, T, net. Now next, what is the picture? This one? Top. T, T, O, T. Top. Now next, what is the picture? Pen. P, E, N. Pen. Now next, what is this picture? Nib. And B. What's come in between? N, I, B. Nib. N, I, B. Nib. Now next, what is this? B, A, T. Bat. T. What's come? B, A, T. Bat. Now next, what it is? This is a tap. T, A, P. Tap. Now next, what it is? Pen. P, N. What's coming between P and N? A. P, A, N. Pen. And last one, what is this? Nap. Or short slip. It's called nap. And A, T, nap. Okay. This is the word grid. Now student, revise again. B-A-G, bag. G-U-N, gun. N-E-T, net. T-U-P, top. P-E-N, pen. N-I-B, nib. B-A-T, bat. T-A-P, tap. P-A-N, pan. And N-A-P, nap. Okay students, do this word grid in your book, page number 8. Now student, take out last page, page number 9. What it is in page? Scramble and unscramble words. Student, with the help of the picture M, N, O. What it is? What's the scramble word? Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Now second, L-B-O-O-A-L-N. What's the word? Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. Now next, third, B-A-N-R-O-I-W. What's the word? Rainbow. This is the picture of rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain, and B-O-W, rainbow. Next word, D-A-L-Y-I-B-R-D. What's the word? Ladybird. L-A-D-Y, lady, B-I R D, ladybird. Now next, T E R U B T L F Y. What's the picture? Butterfly. B U T E R F L Y. Butterfly. B U T E R F L Y. Now next, O P S O N. What's the picture? Spoon. S P O N. Spoon. Now beta next, E I O M B L. See the picture? What's this camera word? Mobile. 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 Now last one, EATBL. See the picture? Table. What does camera word? Table. TABLE. So students, these are the unscrambled words and these are the scrambled. So students, let's revise again. MOON, moon. Second, BALLON, balloon. Next, RAINBOW, rainbow. Next, LADYBIRD, ladybird. Next, BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Next, SPOON, spoon. Next, MOBILE, mobile. And last one, TABLE, table. So student, write here these words, okay, in neat and clean writing. So dear student, today we have completed our chapter 1 and chapter 2. First is rhyming words and second is word play. So dear student, page number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You have to complete in your book in neat and clean writing. And if you have any query, any doubt, then you will be asked. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.